In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit screen size in Google Vids. Adjusting the screen size while watching a video can significantly enhance your viewing experience, especially when you're dealing with content that doesn't naturally fit your monitor or device screen. Google Vids, a component of Google Workspace, offers a simple way to make these adjustments, ensuring your videos perfectly match your screen size every time. Whether you're watching for entertainment, education, or work, getting this setting right can make all the difference. So let's dive into how you can easily adjust the screen size in Google Vids. The first step is to navigate to the Google Vids website. This is your gateway to a vast library of video content, ranging from educational material to entertainment. It's where all the magic starts. Once you're there, you'll notice the website's straightforward layout, designed to get you to your videos faster. Upon arrival at the Google Vids homepage, your next action will be to log in. You'll see a sign in button prominently displayed. Clicking on it is your gateway to accessing your personalized content. It's a smooth, straightforward process designed to get you through the door as quickly as possible. After selecting Sign In, you'll be prompted to choose the Google account you wish to use. This is crucial because Google Vids integrates seamlessly with your Google ecosystem, bringing your content and preferences into a unified experience. Selecting an account will take you closer to viewing the videos just the way you like them. With access secured, your next move is to navigate the videos you're interested in. Find and open the video you want to watch. Now, this is where we start to dive into the specifics of adjusting the screen size. Once your video is playing, look for the View option in the Videos menu. This is your control center for how the video displays on your screen. From here, you'll be making the adjustments that ensure your video fills your screen perfectly, without any awkward cropping or uncomfortable stretching. Within the View options, you're looking for the Canvas Zoom feature. This might not sound like it's all about screen size at first, but it's precisely the tool you need. Canvas Zoom controls how the video fits into the available display area. It's about making sure that what you see is sized just right for your viewing pleasure. The final step is to click on Fit. This option adjusts the video so that it fills your screen without altering its intrinsic aspect ratio. What this means is that you get a full screen experience without any distortion or loss of quality. The video will expand or contract to fill your screen, ensuring that every pixel of your display is used optimally. It's worth noting that while these steps are simple, the impact they can have on your viewing experience is substantial. No more squinting at small letterbox videos or losing out on immersive experiences because the video was too big for your screen. With just a few clicks, you can ensure that every video you watch on Google Vids is perfectly sized for your screen every single time. And just like that, you've mastered the art of adjusting screen sizes on Google Vids. These simple steps not only enhance your viewing experience, but ensure that you're making the most out of your digital content consumption. Whether you're using a desktop, a laptop, or even a larger digital display, knowing how to fit your screen size in Google Vids means you're guaranteed an optimal viewing experience. Remember, the key to a great video experience is not just about the content itself, but how it's presented. With these easy steps, you can make every video you watch look its best, ensuring you enjoy every moment. Thank you for following along with this guide. Enjoy your perfectly sized videos, and I'll see you next time.